6 major UAE visa rule changes in 2026 you should know about. The Federal Authority for Identity, Citizenship, Customs and Port Security, ICP, has expanded eligibility for the UAE entry visa for nationals of 6 countries, making it easier for more travelers to visit the Emirates under the 14-day and 60-day visa categories. Previously available only to eligible Indian nationals, the visa can now also be applied for by citizens of Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, the Philippines, Kenya, and South Africa. The ICP has also widened the list of qualifying countries of residence. In addition to the United States, the United Kingdom, and European Union member states, eligible applicants can now hold valid residency in Singapore, Japan, South Korea, Australia, New Zealand, or Canada. Dubai tourist visa in 48 hours. Tourists planning a trip to Dubai can now get their single-entry tourist visa approved within 48 hours. Valid for 30 to 60 days, tourist visas are available to those who apply through authorized tourism offices. The General Directorate of Identity and Foreigners Affairs, Dubai GDRFA, announced last month. 2-year residency visa rule updated for property investors. Dubai authorities introduced updated conditions for granting the 2-year property-linked residency permit. Under the revised rule, the previous minimum property value requirement of 750,000 dirhams for individual investors has been removed. However, the applicant must be the sole owner of the property. If the property is jointly owned by more than one person, each investor must hold a share worth at least 400,000 dirhams to be eligible to apply for the residency visa, even if ownership is split equally. Temporary overstay fine exemption. The ICP announced a 30-day grace period for visitors who had been exempted from overstay fines because of regional airspace closures and flight disruptions. The authorities said since the exceptional circumstances had ended, the eligible individuals will have to correct their visa status or leave the UAE before July 9th. Dubai to develop smart medical visa. Dubai announced last month that it will develop a smart medical visa and more seamless services for patients traveling to the Emirate for treatment under a new agreement signed by the General Directorate of Identity and Foreigners Affairs, Dubai, and the Dubai Health Authority. The Strategic Memorandum of Understanding aims to create an integrated healthcare journey for medical tourists, linking visa, residency, and healthcare services from before patients arrive in Dubai through to treatment and follow-up. Visa suspension for Ebola-hit countries. To prevent the spread of Ebola virus, UAE authorities announced last month that new visa issuances to nationals from Democratic Republic of the Congo, Uganda, and South Sudan have been suspended. The National Emergency Crisis and Disasters Management Authority, NCEMA, and the ICP announced the additional precautionary measures to strengthen national preparedness and respond to developments related to the Ebola virus. The UAE visa suspension took effect on June 6, 2026, and may be extended depending on the health situation. Thank you for listening. We appreciate your time and trust in staying informed about the law. Until our next session, stay aware, stay empowered.